Good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So, you all are prepared to begin with our today's English class? Shall we begin with our class today? Great. So, can anyone tell me what is the day today? Today is Wednesday. So, the day is Wednesday today. And what we are going to do? We are going to do a revision of all the E's family words. Till now, I have been teaching you different E family words, isn't it? So, we have done E sound, E family words we have done. That is egg, egg, N, et, L. So, these are the different E family words we have done till now. So, today we are going to revise these words. How we are going to revise? We are going to write some words of each sound today. Okay, we will not draw the pictures, but we are going to write some words of all these families and then we will read them and see the pronunciations. Clear everyone? So shall we begin? How we are going to start? First is egg sound. So you have to tell me any 3 egg sound words. Can anyone tell me the 3 egg sound words? Yes. We sleep on bed. Egg, bed. Very good. So, I am going to write bed. Is it clearly visible to all? Very good. So, egg, bed. Now, we have a color. We have written color's name also. So, I have taught you a egg sound of a color which is also a color name. Yes. We have a fruit like apple, cherry, strawberry in this color. Red. Red. Very good. So we are going to write and blend it with egg sound and make red. Red. Okay. Now when we are giving food to our pets, we have pets at home, we give them food to eat. What we are doing? Egg, fed. Remember? Egg, fed. So, first we have to write and then we will write egg sound and together it became fed. Egg, fed. Understood? So, we have also done a rhyming word here. Bed, red, fed. What are these? Rhymes. Rhyme क्या होती है? जब सिमिलर साउंड में कोई वर्ड खत्म, कोई भी हमारी व्हाट आर राइम जब सेम साउंड पे खत्म होते हैं, दैट इज राइम. एक सॉन्ग क्रिएट होता है. बेड, रेड, फेड. आई हैव अ रेड बेड, है ना? आई हैव अ रेड बेड. सो रेड, बेड, फेड, ऑल आर एड. So again we have written rhyming words here. Remember we did these rhyming words when we completed A sound also? Good. So now this is which sound? Egg. Egg sound. So can you tell me some words with egg sound? One of the body part we have with this egg sound? Leg. Yes, very good. So it is egg, leg. Egg, leg. Okay, can you tell me a few more words with egg sound? Yes, few more words. One is leg. Another one can be, if someone is asking us something, so what it is called? Bed. Egg, bed. Isn't it? Egg, bed. Anything else? One more word from egg sound. Can you tell me one more word? Yes, one more word from this egg sound. Something we eat. Come on class. We have egg. Egg. So egg is also from egg sound. Egg. Okay, now moving to the next family. N. So tell me some That is her and hen. Then we have t and ten. And we write with pen. Yes, so we have p and pen. Done all? Now moving to the next family, that is egg. Egg to egg. So tell me some egg family words. Yes, tell me some egg family words. We have p, egg, pet. Very good. P, egg, pet. Then we have net. N, egg, net. Then we have w, egg, wet. W, egg, wet. And this wet means gila. Okay. Now the last family which we did is L family words. So can you tell me some L family words now? B, L, bell. Very good. Then we have, जिसमें से हम water निकालते हैं, what is that called? Well. Very good. So we are going to write W, L, well. And one more word, can you tell me? Sh, L, shell. Sh, L, shell. So these are some words which we have written, but we have done a lot of words in these families. So first thing is you have to revise all these E family words and write them for your practice work regularly, so that you are able to read them, you are able to speak them, you are able to write them. Clear all? So let us just read all these words once again. B, egg, bed. R, egg, red. F, egg, fed. These are all egg family words. Then we have egg. Egg, egg family words. L, egg, leg. B, egg, bed. Egg, egg. Egg, egg. Egg family words. Then the next is N family. We have egg, egg. So words we have is her and hen, t and ten, p and pen. I am repeating it once again. Her and hen, t and ten, p and pen. Now we have egg family words. P, egg, pet. N, egg, net. W, egg, wet. So these are egg family words. Egg, two. Egg family words they are. Now the next one is L family words. B, L, bell. W, L, bell. Sh, L, shell. Sh, L, shell is also there, and we have sh, L, shell also. So both the words are correct. You can learn or write or practice any word you feel like. Is that clear? So today we have completed our E family words. So now till now we have completed 2 families. Out of the 5 vowels, we have 5 vowels. Which are the 5 vowels we have? A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels we have. And out of these 5 vowels, we have completed A sound and E sound words. Clear everyone? So what is the work we need to do today? All of you please open your book page number 23. So today's work is book page number 23, and you are going to do this work in your Young Learner English phonic book. So phonic book, open your phonic book, and I am going to tell you how you have to do this work. Okay? So open your notebooks. Sorry, books. Open your books. So class, now open your English phonic book 3 on page number 23. So our today's work is on page number 23. So the very first thing which we are going to do is write today's date. and today is 29th July 2020, and this is your classwork. So what we have to write, we'll write CW. Clear everyone? Now write and color. The first thing is we have to write and then we are going to color. So can you identify all these pictures here? They all are different E sound words. Can you identify these pictures? They all are E sound words, isn't it? So the first thing we are going to do is we'll write their names. We'll write, can you see the space given to us? So we are going to write their name first. Let's see how we are going to write. So moving to the first picture. What picture is this? It's a bed. Yes. So we are going to write bed. Like this we have written bed. Now the next one. Can you identify this picture? It's hen. So how we are going to write? Hen. Done all? Now this one. What is this? It's a L sound word. So which picture is this? Bell. Yes. B is mixed with L sound and it made bell. Now the next picture is, can you identify this? Which picture is this, class? It's a pen. Yes. So how we are going to write? Pen. Pen. Now moving to the next one. Can you identify this picture? It's leg. Yes. So we are going to write egg, leg. Egg, leg. Now what is this? We use this to catch fish, or sometimes we can see this in our kitchen in a different shape where mama used to make soups. So it's a net. Yes. It's an H sound word. Net. Now can you tell me what is this? Yes, who lives in this? Spider. Spider lives in this. And what is this? What we call it? Web. Yes, web. So it's an eb sound word. And when we are saying w, so which alphabet will come? V or W? Web. So we are going to write web. Clear all? Okay. Now can you tell me which picture is this? Which sound is this? Et sound. And the name of this picture is jet. Yes. So we are going to write J, and with J we are going to mix H sound word, and we wrote jet. Clear everyone? So have a look once again. Bed. This is the picture of bed. Then hen. It's hen. Now there we have a bell here. Bell. Then we have pen. Pen. Then the next one is leg. Egg, leg. Then the other one is net. Net. Web. Web. Jet. Jet. Clear everyone? So what we have done? Write. And now it's time to color. So what you can do is, you all know how to color. So use these pencil colors while coloring these pictures. So you can do any color in them. Bed, you can do any color, it's your choice. Hen is yellow and red in color. Then we have bell, you can do any color in bell. So only one I am doing for you. I am taking this yellow color for bell, I am coloring only bell, and you are going to color all these pictures. Clear? So I'm just coloring and I'm telling you how you have to move your pencil. So whenever you are holding a pencil, always hold your pencil in between thumb and index finger and give a support of your middle finger like this while coloring, and keep your pencil in a slant way like this, and then you move your pencil like this, so an even stroke of color will come. Colors के ना बहुत even stroke आएंगे when you will do it like this. And again I am saying you always use pencil colors in your book. For drawing you can use your for your art file or your coloring file, use your oil pastels, but when you are doing in your subject books, always use your pencil colors. Clear all? So I have done one, but you are going to color all these pictures. Now moving to the next work. The next work is on page number 24. So this page is also your classwork. So write down today's date once again, 29th July 2020, and this is again your classwork. So what we are going to do? Find our names. Look at the pictures and circle the correct word in each set. So now you have to identify these pictures. You have been given some pictures here. आपको इन्हें identify करना है, and some words are given. So what you have to do? आपको देखना है कौन सी picture है, and you have to circle the correct word. Let's see how we are going to do. Now what is this? Red. Red, red, red. So first we are going to do reading also like this. Red, red, ed, wed, ed, fled. So now this picture is ed, wed. So you are going to circle it like this. Clear? Now then, which picture is this? Let's see. Egg, beg, egg, leg, egg, peg. Beg, leg, peg. So it is a peg. I'm going to circle peg here. Now if you can see carefully, you will observe that the words written are rhyming words. Egg, 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 n, et. So they are different E family rhyming words also. So you can learn these rhyming words from here as well. Now the next picture is D and den, P and pen, M and men. So it's a picture of den. I'm going to circle den here. Then we have N at net, P at pet, V at vet. So can you tell me who's this? It's a vet, a doctor who treats animal. So we are going to circle V at vet. Then we have F L fell, W L well, B L bell. So can you tell me which picture is this? It's a well. So I'm going to circle well here. So now we have A sound words also with us. Ka R car, J R jar, B R bar. So which word is this? It's a bar. Yes, we are going to circle bar now. The next is F and fan, V and van, M and man. So what is this? It's a van, and we are going to circle van here. Understood your classwork? So your classwork is page number 23 and 24. And I am giving you a very interesting homework today. That is page number 25. It's very interesting when you will do. So we are going to write today's date, 29th July 2020. And it's your homework. So I'm going to write HW. So class, jumble letters. It's a very interesting game type of a work I'm giving you. Some pictures are given here. And the words are also written, but they are written in jumble. Jumble means उनको mix करके लिखा है. And you have to make a correct spelling. See, E-R-D. The word is written here, but the correct word is R-E-D. So we have R here, we have E here, and we have D here. So the spelling is also given, but they have written it in the jumbled form. उन्होंने letters को आगे पीछे करके लिखा है, and you have to write it correctly like this. Clear? So this is your homework, page number 25, and your classwork is page number 23 and 24. So class, I hope you have understood your work for today's classwork as well as your homework. So both the classwork and homework need to be done in the same phonic book. Clear all? So let's revise. The topic is E sound words, and today we have completed our E family words, and we have to keep on revising them, learn them, and just try to use these words in your daily routine, in your daily conversation with parents, with your friends, while talking to anyone at home. Clear? Complete your work, share your work with me, and now get ready for the next class. Okay?